Hi everyone, it's Krista and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new, hello again. So this is my channel. I love to do DIYs on a budget, Dollar Tree DIYs, thrift flips, farmhouse and rustic wreaths, and seasonal decor. So if you like what you see here, you know what to do. Hit that red subscribe button. Also leave me a comment. I love to hear what you guys think. And also give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel. You can also follow me over on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and Facebook. And I also have an Etsy shop where most of the things that you see in my videos, I sell over there. All those will be in my description box. But today is all about the 12 days of Christmas, you guys. And if you've been coming along for the ride, this is the 12th and final day. I host with my friend Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY. More about that in a minute. But first, let's get into DIY number 1. So it's all about bells, the 12th day. So I have a laser cutter, if you guys know, and I cut out this really cute bell that says Jingle all the way, and I'm going to craft with that. So I have some ribbon, I have paint, of course, and some greenery that I'm going to put on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this with, I believe it's Santa Red, and I'm going to paint the whole bell and then the Jingle all the way. Now, this kit will be in my Etsy shop. It may not be in there tomorrow when you see this video, but the days after that, it'll be in there. I just have to get it together. And I did the snowflakes and the writing in white. Now, I did the outside of the bell with my stencil brush. I used my dark antique wax. I love using this. I love the vintage old look. So that's what I'm going for here, rustic. And I just go around the edges with it. This dark wax is in my Amazon shop if you're ever interested in getting it. It's really easy to use. You can just rub it around the edges and it just makes everything look so rustic, and I love it. So I'm going to do that around the snowflakes too, and also the wording. And then I'm going to take some of my super wood glue that I love so much from the Dollar Tree and some hot glue, and then I'm going to glue down the Jingle all the way words. And you can see it's already engraved on there for you, so it's really simple to just match it right up and put it on. And then I'm also then just going to glue down this whole piece to the center of the bell. And I think this is such a cute idea, you guys. I never thought about stuff like this, but I know you guys, I haven't seen any wooden bells at Dollar Tree. You probably could get them, but I haven't seen them. So this is the route I went with my kits. And I'm going to take some greenery. This is from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut them, and then I'm going to put a little piece on one side of a bow that I made. And I don't show you the bow either because I've made a lot of these with the 12 days of Christmas bows, so you could always go back and see them in my other videos. And the links to all the videos from day 1 all the way to this one is also in the description box, so if you missed any, you could just go down there and watch them. And then I stuck one on the bottom here of the bow as well. And now I'm just going to put some twine in here, and we're going to make a little hanger. Now you could get a plain circle round from and put Jingle all the way on there with wording. I mean, use your imagination, guys, but let me know what you think down below in the description. So today is the last day of the 12 days of Christmas, and of course it's bells. There's going to be a playlist. Make sure you go look at that link. That'll have everybody in there who's volunteering and participating with us, and a lot of them have done all 12 days. And also Brenda's link will be down below as well. Make sure you go check her channel out. And yeah, so here is number 2. So this one, I cut these bells out, but they're just regular bells. You could purchase them on Amazon. These won't be in my shop because they're just a bell that shape that I cut out. So I'm going to use some gel stain. Now, I found the gel stain at Hobby Lobby, and I found it in the little bottle. So I said, you know what, I'm going to try it. So I'm just taking a baby wipe, and I'm just smudging it all over the wood with the baby wipe. And then I wipe the excess with a paper towel and then dry it. Now, next I'm going in with, this is called Warm White. And it's kind of like a plaster by Waverly. And I'm doing a heavy brush over the bells. And I'm going to do that on both of them. And then on the bottom of the bells, I am going to use this silver gunmetal, I believe it's called. And I got it at Hobby Lobby, this paint. And then I'm just going to sand everything and smooth it out so everything's so nice and smooth. and not rough or anything like that. And I did that with both of the bells. And now I'm just going to kind of glue them together like that. Like one bell's going one way, one's going the other way. And this bells, though, that I cut out of my machine did not have a hole on the top. Believe it or not. So I'm making my own hanger. So, but there they are. And I love the rustic look to them. So I just took a piece of jute twine. All I'm going to do is kind of like put it in a little loop and then tie in a knot at the bottom. And then I'm going to use some hot glue, glue it to the back. And then I'm going to take my bow that I made in my Bodabra and I'm going to stick that in the center. And then I used this little tag that I got at Walmart. It says Jingle all the way on it. And then this greenery is also from Walmart. It was only 98 cents for this greenery, guys, and it goes a long way. You get quite a few on the picks. I was going to use those berries, but decided against it. I just didn't like them on there. Thought it was just too much with the tag and everything. So I'm going to use these. This came off of a pick from the Dollar Tree. They're just like, they're berries, but they're woodland berries. And yeah, I just stuck that in the center. And that's it, you guys. Quick video for you guys today. It is the last day. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Also, make sure you go check everyone out on the playlist and also check out Brenda. Go check out the other days if you missed them. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, stay crafty. Happy holidays, everyone. Bye.